Hey guys, welcome back to Gojira Customs. We're doing anything diecast from customs to collecting. So today I'm going to walk you guys through my custom diorama. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So this diorama started as a project between my dad and I about 3 years ago, I think. It was initially meant to be a custom car garage, but after some time I kind of lost interest in it, pushed it to the side. You know, we've all done that before. I'm guilty as charged, I won't lie. But yeah, after about 3 years of it sitting, collecting dust, being beaten and battered, I decided to look at it again, and well, it kind of looked a lot worse than this, so I've decided to just give it this dilapidated kind of look. Yeah, on the inside you can find a lot of projects waiting to be done. That Dodge Challenger is looking promising. I'm really excited at the prospect of that. Even the Lamborghini was up for some Albi work kits, yo. Yeah, this Aston Martin is promising too. I think you guys have seen it on the channel before. I think it featured in one of my previous videos. Now the outside. This is where the rarest of them lie. These are cars I've collected back in I think the early 2000s. So these are cars from when I was a kid. A lot of these have been lost. Thankfully I was able to find some of these and put them back here. Hopefully I'll be finding a lot more soon. Putting them back here, that'll be really cool. There were some really great ones back then. Yeah, so you'll also find some projects that I started before I actually started my channel. Yeah, these ones never came out as I intended them to, so I stuck them on here. I do intend on redoing them. Hopefully you guys will join me do that too. Yeah. Of all these cars, I guess I know which car you guys are looking at the most. I'm kind of looking at it too. Yeah, it's an attention drawer, that car. It'll grab your attention no matter what state it's in. So there you have it, guys. Be sure to check out some of my customs on the channel. There are some really cool ones down here. And if you'd like, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you want more content. Join me as I go along redoing this diorama and customizing the cars on it. Hope to see some of you guys soon. See you then.